Hi home design lover. No special design channel has made a unique home design. This is a house that has 2 bedrooms. The house is located on a beach. This house is above seawater. On the front of the house, there is a wooden deck that is used as a terrace. In the front room is used for living room and kitchen, and also dining room there. On the left, a 15-meter swimming pool is built. Different than the usual home that has a garage, this house is equipped with a boot garage.